Here's the 3 islands again. We'll zoom in a little bit. I think that's the wolf. I think that's the deer. And I think that's the bird, but I could be wrong. Panning back to where we're at. One of those. There is a tour called Stone Island Tour, which is supposed to be really nice. We did not choose to go on that one just for time and very different. Oh, it looks like there's some birds feeding over there. Probably be some good fishing right about now. If I had a little boat and a fishing rod, I'd take myself out there with a couple lures, see what we could catch. Of course, we have to have a license first. Anywho, that's kind of the view. Now we'll go to the other end.